Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to enable two-step authentication on WhatsApp. If you haven't done this, make sure you do this because this is actually very important and it's going to help you from security for some security reason. I already have it enabled on my other WhatsApp accounts. I did not do it for this because this is just my tutorial account. So once you have your WhatsApp open, click on this three-dotted icon on the top and then you go to settings. Now on the settings you click on account. Now from account you are going to see two-step verification. You click on that. Now this is going to show you several information. Now it's actually going to tell you that you can actually read this even more. For extra security, turn on two-step verification or two-step authentication for some use, which will actually allow you or require you to create a PIN for registration of your PIN with the WhatsApp again. You click on turn on and then you put in the code that you want, and I'm going to go ahead and put in a code by hiding my screen. Oh. And after you enter it the first time, it's going to ask you to enter it the second time. So when you are done, you hit save, and I just did save, and you can see it's actually turned on. Whenever I want, I can turn this off, and also you can notice I can see an option to turn off, so I can always turn it off. And if I close this out and then come right back to this area, you can see I will actually be able to turn it off. Now I can also close it and then come right back. And it doesn't actually ask all the time, but most times it asks. Whenever I ask you to enter the PIN, go ahead and enter in the required PIN, and I'm going to do that. So I just did, and it actually logged in successfully. If I enter in the wrong PIN, it's going to keep showing and keep showing multiple times. And then I can also come to the settings area, come to this area, and then do the same thing again. Either I can change the PIN, but it's going to ask me to enter, to create a PIN that you want, that you can remember, which is the previous one. I will have to enter it here before I'll be able to change the new PIN. So guys, I am okay with this video and I hope this helped you. If you have further question, please leave it on the comment section and I'm going to see to it on the next video. Please stay safe and peace.